Hello everyone, welcome to this great VFX tutorial of Adobe After Effects. And in this tutorial, I am going to be teaching you how to... Oh! Oh no! Oh! So as you saw in this tutorial, I am going to be teaching you how to do SPARKS VFX of Adobe After Effects using the particle VFX system of Adobe After Effects. And it's really dangerous, as you can see. It sparks all the time. And before anything happens to me, let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so here we are in Adobe After Effects, and as you can see, I've imported a new video file in our project panel. Click to drag the file into this new composition button to make a new composition which matches the settings of the video. Now what you'll really notice that I'm not in this video providing any links to any example or raw file for you to experiment, because you can apply this effect in any video file you want. Now in this video clip, this was played in the intro, and I will expect the lightning to appear from here as you saw. Now what you first have to do is right click in the composition and make a new solid. The color is not so important here, as this will be the base clip which the particle effect will appear. That's right, for the SPARKS VFX you need the particle world effect. So go to your effects and presets panel and search for the particle world effect. Apply the CC particle world effect by clicking and dragging it with your mouse button to the black solid layer, and you will notice the particle system applied. Enable your effects control panel to enable it. Now disable the visibility of the video file which is beneath it, and by tweaking this button make sure that the background is black. Now let's work with this CC particle world effect. You will notice that this is a 3D effect in which there is a base, there is this 3D layer, and if you now play through your video, you will notice the particle effect which is now still emitting like your SPARKS effect. So it is really very good. Now go to your effects control panel, go to the grid effect, and make sure it's selected to only producer, so you can only see the producer. Now get your timeline indicator to a middle part, and now let's tweak these settings. In the birth rate, give your birth rate to 0.5. Let's open the producer tab. Actually don't need to do anything here. Let's go to physics, go to the animation, and please select explosive. Yep, explosive is very fine. Go to the velocity and jack up the velocity to about 0.50. Don't touch the inheritance. Let's give it to 0. Gravity is fine, which is in the resistance 3 will be fine. Okay, and let's go to particle, expand the properties. Now enable the particle system to faded sphere. Always give the particle system to faded sphere, and in the bird size, give the bird size to about 160. Depth size will be about 0.90. Size variation is your choice. Max opacity, let's expand the view. Everything is quite good. Just go to the birth color and select something really white, yellowish color. The death color must be a real hard orange color if you want a little bit more hard, and it will be fine enough for me. And now let's go to if you scrub to the footage, you will notice that really not so much hard, it's a little soft thin type of a particle world effect is now going on, and it's really nice. I'll give the birth rate to more the dead color, let's give to a more red color. It looks very good. Okay, Now go to Effects Presets panel and search for the glow effect. Apply the glow effect by clicking and dragging it onto the solid layer, and you will notice how much bright the sparks has become. Yep, that's true, this effect has now become the sparks effect. And now tweak these three settings, threshold, radius and intensity, to make sure the particle world effect matches your custom settings. Okay, now what you really have to do is enable the visibility of the base footage, and while the black solid layer is selected, hit your pointer tool and move the sparks to your your opinion, your custom place where the sparks must be. So it can be on the fan, it can be on the wall, but as I am depicting about a sparks light, I'm going to give it over here. You can push up the size of the solid. It will be good for me. Let's go to fit up to 100% view and let's play the video back. It's really good, but the thing is the particle is emitting a bit slowly, so let's tweak some properties. Let's go to producer, birth rate. Yeah. Birth rate is 2.4. it's nice. Okay, now before we do anything, let's apply the first blur effect. Go to effects and preset panel, search for the first blur effect. Apply the first blur effect by clicking and dragging it onto the black solid layer, and let's jack up the blurriness about 2.0 will be fine. And make sure that your video is totally that much dark. So I will apply a brightness effect to my base footage. Make sure that your video is really very dark, because otherwise the Sparks VFX won't work so much nice. So I am tweaking the brightness and contrast properties to make my video a bit much and very much darkish color. And go to the glow effect of the black solid, and let's jack up the glow effect so that it's fit very properly. You may apply the brightness effect to the layer. Let's jack up the brightness, and you should be good to go with a particle world effect, and it resulted in a nice old spark. But if you're still not so much happy with the effect, you can tweak all the settings. These are all your opinion. Do what you like the best, and as a result your particle effect will gonna look very much nice. Yep. Okay, I think I changed my mind because this faded sphere is not totally working. I will recommend you get the particle type to line, and believe it or not, it will look good after I press the space button, and it's totally awesome. As you can see the effect. Yep, so this is how you do it. And in case you have not noticed, I've given some masks because I have to do some further blur effects. So I just added masks by using the pen tool and just feathered out the mask. And now let's watch our final movie. Cool, that's really great. I totally liked it. So thanks everyone for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, oh no, I'm comment snaps, leave them all in the section below. For in detail this tutorial, click the like button and subscribe for more videos. And until next time, I am going to be seeing you later. Oh